Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Isha Vinod Jain, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. So today I'm here with a new haul video in which I'm gonna share all the tops that I've got from Ajio under 350 rupees only, and I promise it's gonna be amazing. So keep watching, and without wasting any further time, let's just get into the video. So talking about the first top that I got from Ajio, this red off-shoulder top that I got from Fake, and it is in the size S. The quality, the material is amazing. दोस्तों में क्या मिलता है? And obviously the sleeves make this top a very statement piece. So all in all, I give it a thumbs up to this top. So talking about this next top, which is a topher top that I got from Fake. I didn't expect this to be it because I was expecting a blue shrug kind of a thing, but it has this white thing attached to it, and then वो ऐसा shrug है. I was expecting a little nicer sky blue also, and it turned out to be this dull kind of a top. And this का material भी, it's very soft, but I think when you wash this top, it will shrink in and वो एकदम loose हो जाएगा. I don't think you all should give this a try, but if you all like it, it's for rupees 322, and I got it in the small size. So if you all like it, you can get it, but I kind of don't like it. So yeah, next top is one of my favorite top of this haul. So it is this black top which has an amazing neckline. I just don't know why I ordered everything in X, and I ordered this one in extra small size, and now I cannot just believe it. This did fit me. I think this is a spandex material, इसलिए मेरे को fit हो गया. I would suggest to go for a size S or a size M. बाकी talking about the material, I told it is a spandex material, I think, and the neckline is amazing. The fit is amazing. It looks gorgeous. It's just for rupees 270. Can you guys even imagine? I just love this top. So yeah. Talking about the next top, I got this polka dot top, and again with the sleeves. The sleeves are really nice. Actually, I was very confused while I was ordering this top कि अच्छा होगा नहीं होगा, करूँ नहीं करूँ. But now I think it's okay because इसका material is very good, and I think it looks good. And got it for rupees 340, and it's in the size S. So yeah. So the next top is this peach colored top, which is really amazing. The quality is amazing, and again the sleeves are really amazing. मैंने इसको small में order किया. It is for rupees 340. So yeah, next is this Verilous top that I got it in pink color, and I love the color, by the way. Also, it is off-shoulder top, so it's amazing, and I love the sleeves. I got it in rupees 323, and it's in the size S. So yeah. Above this next top, I'm very sorry to say I ordered the wrong size. सबका मैंने small मंगवाया and इसका मैंने extra small मंगवाया. It didn't fit me, but the top is amazing. I'll show you all. I'll attach the photo also. So yeah. It is this off-shoulder top which has an amazing detail at the front, and the color is also amazing, and it is just for rupees 323. So the next top is from Trends, and it is this peplum kind of a top with a V-neck thing. And actually I didn't expect this top to be a little green in color because मुझे इसका photo देख के लगा था it is cream in color, and मैंने details नहीं देखे थे, so I thought it would be cream in color, and but आया green में है, and I think it looks decent on me. Also I got this for rupees 200 only, so no complaints, and the material is quite good. So yeah, a thumbs up for this top also. So talking about the next and the last top that I got from Ajio is this crop top, and this crop top is so cute and amazing. I like it. It has a bit of traditional vibe. I don't know why. Maybe because of this flower thing. It gives a little kurti vibes, but it is a crop top, and I got this for rupees 240 only. So all in all, it's amazing. All the top that I showed were almost amazing. सिवाय वो blue वाले को छोड़ के everything was amazing. like the haul and think it was pretty amazing, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And yeah, I post some fun reels on Instagram, so if you want to follow me there, it's just Isha Vinod Jain, and that's my ID, that's my name, and everywhere wherever I'm on social media, it's Isha Vinod Jain. So yeah, make sure you follow me there, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.